Okay, what I'm doing is a transmission oil and filter change on a 2014 Camaro V6. When I jack it up on any car I do, I always open the door, close it to the first notch because it relieves pressure all up here. And so if the car flexes a bit too much, you may not pop out the window. Okay, anyway, first thing I did was this. Got up here while it was outside. You can't see it, but I shot water down there. A lot of it, cleaned it. I shot water underneath the car, and that is to clean off all the little rocks, debris, and etc. Then the next thing I did was remove this, because if you remove the pan, drain the fluid, and you can't get this out, you are screwed. This is the fill plug. How I got that out was that I just used a little screwdriver, popped up the center pin. Then I used 90-degree needle nose, grabbed the base right here, and it just came right out. Very simple. Then you'll need a 14mm socket for this bolt back here, and that's actually like the dipstick plug. You know, it's really weird the way it's made. And a 10mm socket extension and ratchet for the pan bolts. That's all there is to that. Laser, you'll need a laser gun, infrared thing. Let's see, there's the old filter, the new filter. I'm going to fill it from the top, so I have a long funnel with a hose. I'm not going to pump in all the fluid. Also, yes, I'm using SuperTech, Walmart, but it is guaranteed by, or GM approved. And it's like, you know what? Walmart doesn't make it. Somebody makes it for them. And if it's GM approved, that's good enough for me. Okay, then, what else is there? Okay, let's go into the car. Here we go. Oh, clean the magnet. You gotta clean the magnet really good. It is filthy, or at least mine was. I took off this gasket, and there's two plugs right here. There's one that goes into the pan, and there's another one back here goes into the pan, also the transmission housing. Okay, that's all there is to that. Now, underneath the car is really easy. You have to have the thing level. So put it on jack stands, get it level, otherwise you won't be able to get the transmission correct level in it. Okay, then there's where the transmission filter goes in. I may leave that because it is in good condition. How I got that out, the filter, grabbed it with both hands, pulled down, twisted it, and it did come out, and it was not very easy. In checking that plug, the seal I mean, it does appear to be in good shape, so I'll probably reuse it. I haven't decided yet. But the fill plug is right here. It's like there's one, two, the third bolt hole right there. It's a little in front of that. So that's where that plug is. I don't know if you can see it from there. Yeah, you can't. But, oh, yeah, you can. There it is right there. That's the fill hole. Okay. Okay, what I've done is I've started the car, ran it through all the gears. You know, there's reverse, drive. There's only two, neutral and park. Anyway, warmed it up, put it in park. Then I came around here and I topped off. I took out the bolt, no fluid came out, and I tested the laser right there where the drain hole is, and it's reading 97 degrees, so we're good. I took the plug out, topped off the fluid, and you can see it now just draining back. There is a little bit in there. That's new fluid, of course. It's not even a quart, which is what I expected. So, all right, now all I have to do now is just wait till it just kind of dribbles out, and then I put the plug back in. The thing's running. It's not really that bad. Okay, this is the funnel with the tube that I explained earlier running down. Was able to fill the transmission with that. Worked out very, very well. Underneath the car, underneath, There's the plug, which, you know, just wipe it off. There we go. Everything is good now. I waited till there was like a slow little stream or drip coming out and then just put the plug in. There are no leaks. Everything is good. All I have to do now, oh, that catalytic converter's hot. All I have to do now is, you can see the hose right there. Just remove it, replace the plug, and I'm done.